Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to reconcile credit card in NetSuite. Reconciling a credit card in NetSuite involves matching your credit card statement with the transactions recorded in NetSuite to ensure accuracy. Here's a step-by-step guide. Go to Transactions, Bank, Reconcile Credit Card Statement. From the drop-down, choose the credit card account you want to reconcile. Enter statement date. Optionally, you can also add start date, add ending statement balance. You'll notice that the difference shows $2,200 because we haven't selected any transactions to reconcile yet. Select Transactions to Reconcile from Payments and Credit Cards, Charges and Cash Advances, and other tabs. Notice that the reconciled statement now reflects the $2,200 we selected, and the difference is now 0 since the amounts match. Let's change the ending balance to $2,000 instead. This updates the difference to $200 due to the mismatch. Now let's set the ending balance back to $2,200 and click Save to reconcile the credit card amounts. A confirmation message will appear indicating that the transaction was successfully saved. Now if we go back to Transactions, Bank, Reconcile Credit Card Statement, select the same account and statement date. You'll see that the ending statement balance automatically populates with the amount we previously entered. The transactions we reconciled are also marked as cleared. If we set the statement date to a later date, notice that the last reconciled balance reflects the previously reconciled amount. And that's how you reconcile a credit card in NetSuite.